Eh, Hi guys, I'm making a video about talking about the basic Rubik's cubes. So I'm gonna begin with the 2x2 ones. I'm gonna begin talking about the basic ones. Well, there is a 2x2, the 2x2 one. There's some 3x3 ones. Um, there is a pyraminx. Uh, A 3x2 and 2x2 pyraminx are also basic, the basic Rubik's cubes. Let's see let me know which other ones. I think there is a 3x3 mirror, uh, a gray one which has all sticker, no, which all the stickers are on the same color, and the shapes are different. Um, There is a megaminx, which is a dodecahedron, a 3x3 one, three yes, a 3x3 dodecahedron. It's like this. Um, I think there is also a 4x4 Rubik's cube one, one with 4 levels, though might also be a basic one, but I don't know. And so yeah, guys, I think that's it about the the, the basic Rubik's cubes. That's it about this video about talking about the basic Rubik's cubes. Like, like not there are not only the 2x2 and the 3x3 ones like these two. Like there are some others like I said on the video. Like there is a pyraminx, a megaminx, a mirror, uh, and a 4x4 version of. And a 4x4 one. So yeah, thank you all of you for watching. Subscribe to Santiago Ruiz Triple, turn on my post notifications, and write a comment below. So thank you all of you for watching, and bye.